Guys, I'm about to show you a seriously easy way to make money with Chatgpt. Now, guys, all you got to do is use a couple of AIs. So go to Chatgpt and you'll see it's super easy to sign up. You literally just put your email address in and you can sign up. Watch this. You go on here and get involved. Then you can actually ask Chatgpt to do something incredible that would usually take you a long time. I want to ask it to write me a YouTube script. Okay, now you can do this for any subject you like. Okay, write a YouTube script about gorillas, write a YouTube script about paintings, whatever you want, okay? I'm going to today show you how you can turn this into money. So write a YouTube script about the benefits of yoga. ChatGPT is going to write this for me. Now I can make a YouTube video on this, or I can show you something even more incredible, going to overai.com, okay, and posting this in. So go over there right now, okay, it's on in video, and simply post your script in there. It will make a promo video for you. That's how easy this is. Once you've got that promo video, you simply post it and guess what? You can make money. What I would do after that is go over to bank.com, and then once you over at bank.com, you can actually become an affiliate for any of the following subjects and make money using ChatGPT and the AI. Simple as that. Like and follow for more how-to videos.